Welcome back to Miss Kim's Home and Garden. Today I'll be working in the Woodland Garden. I have 5 concrete planters back here in the Woodland Garden. I'm going to fill them with Miracle-Gro potting soil. I'm now making sure I don't have any air pockets in the planters with the potting soil. I'm going to go ahead and transplant this hostas in this container in the Woodland Garden because it needed to be relocated. I'm now spreading the cypress mulch in the Woodland Garden. My woodland garden is planted up with columbine, hostases, and ferns. Now the mulch is on, and I have all the planters filled with potting soil ready to be planted up, and you can see some of the actual hostases are starting to come up. I'm going to have to add some sort of risers to these planters because they look like they're kind of sinking in the mulch. Say hello to Oscar. He's the tree elf. He's new to the woodland garden. I hope you've been inspired to start gardening. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.